Hello, my name is Ignacio Valencia. I'm the Chief of the Section of Neurology at St. Christopher's Hospital for Children. I would like to thank you for looking into our program as your next possible training home. We're proud to provide wide clinical exposure in a nurturing, personalized environment, leading to a 100% board pass rate in the last 6 years. Our mission is based on 3 main pillars: clinical care, education, and research. These are not independent but intertwined to provide cohesive care while we inspire inquiry and lifelong learning. A combination of clinical exposure, foster environment, and outstanding outcomes make our program a well-balanced option for you. 2 main things have kept me here at St. Christopher's for almost 20 years: the family-friendly environment and the underserved population we serve. St. Christopher's is located in the second lowest socioeconomical zip code in the country, and I value the opportunity to deliver back to our community. I will hope you will consider joining us. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Daphna Haspani, and I'm the Program Director for the Child Neurology Residency at St. Christopher's Hospital for Children. Why choose St. Christopher's? What makes us a unique program is our focus on mentorship, collegiality, and a good work-life balance. Our graduates are well equipped to practice independently in either a private practice setting or an academic institution. Trainees have exposure to the breadth of pediatric neurological diseases and are guided through the art of complex neurological management. Trainees are also mentored in the development of research projects, medical education, and professional and personal development. We pride ourselves on our collegial atmosphere within the section and understand that every team member plays an important role. Our trainees are treated as valued colleagues from day one, and we enjoy maintaining our working relationships and friendships even beyond the training years. Lastly, we foster an excellent work-life balance. We enjoy and take pride in what we do, but we also understand that to do well at work, we need to also be happy at home. While we push our trainees to have an active academic curiosity and to provide outstanding care to children with neurological diseases, we also actively encourage our trainees to leave their work at the hospital. As a result, we have a vibrant and happy group here in the Section of Neurology at St. Christopher's. I hope you will consider joining us.
Hi, I'm Bijal Patel, one of the Child Neurology Fellows here. I found that when I came to St. Chris about 5 years ago as a student, I immediately felt a lot of comfort and warmth from everyone in our department, almost like I found a family here.
Hi, my name is Jackie Romero. I'm one of the Child Neurology Fellows here at St. Chris. So I can vividly remember when I had a very busy interview day here. It was a full day, it was like 8 hours. I drove home and I couldn't stop thinking how much I wanted to come here. So it had a very strong gut feeling. And now that I've been here already for almost 5 years, I can describe the highlights, including that the attendings here have pretty much an open door policy. You could come in, you can speak about anything on your mind, thoughts, questions. They're very much dedicated to your teaching, as well as the variety of cases that we get to see here, ranging from simple to complex in the different units that we have here at St. Chris, the ED, the PICU, the NICU, and so forth. And as well as one of the most important things that led me to come here was the underserved population that I get to work with, and I get to learn from them, and it has been a privilege to be here. So then I hope that you get to come here as well.
Hi, I'm Sarah Graywall. I'm one of the Child Neurology Fellows here at St. Chris. And if I would have to think of things that make St. Chris special to me, it would absolutely be the family-like atmosphere that we have here. I rotated here as a medical student, and one of the things that stood out to me even then was the fact that all of our attendings sat around together eating lunch and discussing cases. There's not one thing that I would change about my experience, but the things that I can highlight are the patients that we treat, the population that we serve, and the breadth of cases that I've gotten to learn from. I hope that I can take all of this away with me when I leave and remember all of those cases.
Hi, my name is Sharya Krishnakumar. I'm also one of the Child Neurology Fellows here. There's a lot to love about St. Chris, but one of the few things is that your attendings really become your mentors and are equally invested in your overall academic growth and your well-being, and your colleagues will become some of your closest friends.